Question number 7. Given a list of strings, find out those which are start with a number. Let me show you using Java 8 how you can solve this question. Here I declared a list with some integers and null value and as empty string. So here I am solving this problem using Java 8 stream methods. So first, before using stream methods, I am converting given string into streams so I can apply stream methods. First I am filtering the strings which are not null. To do that, object class providing non-null method. So here I am filtering all the strings which are null. So after that I am applying filter to check the string is empty or not, because here I given a empty string as well. So string class providing is empty method, so string should not be empty. After that my actual condition. So here I am using characters class static method. Let me show you. Character class providing is digit method. So it will check the given character is number or not. So here we have to check the first character itself. So character at I'm passing the index as 0. So here I am taking first index character. Using this method I am checking the character is digit or not. Here filter is an intermediate operation, so it will not execute until I will use the terminal operation. So I am using collect. I am converting this one into toList. So the return type of this method is list. So let me take it down this one into small fonts for better readability. So if I run this, you will see the strings which are started with the numeric value. If you see, 3 strings are started with the numeric value. First one, third and fourth. Given a list of integers, find the max and minimum from the given list using Java 8. Let me show you how we can do this. If you see here, I declared a list of variables, some random numbers. So now first I am going to find the maximum number using Java 8 streams. First I am converting given list into streams using stream method. Now I am using inbuilt max method. This method taking comparator as the parameter. So here I am going to implement this method using integer class compare2 method. So till here the return type is optional. To get the value, here I am going to use the get method. It will return the maximum number. Let me declare a local variable to store the result, maxval. So in the same way I am going to find the minimum number as well. I need to change here max to min. Let me change the reference variable. Let me print max value, mean value. So internally what will happen? First we are converting collections into streams. After we are using max function. Internally it will use declare one variable to keep track of max value. So first it will take max as 10. After that it will compare with upcoming numbers. It will check 10 and 20 which is greater than. If 20 is greater than, it will update. Same way it will next compare with 25, 20 and 5. So 5 is less than 20. So value will not update. After that, it will check 20 and 40. So 40 is more. So value will update. In the same way, it will happen for mean also. Let me run this. If you see, the max number is 14 and minimum number is 5. Check two strings are anagram or not using Java 8. This is very important interview question for senior Java developers. Let me show you how we can do this. So here I created a class anagram check. In this video I am going to show you optimal solution to solve this problem using Java 8. Here actually I am going to use the map to maintain the frequency of each character. After that I will compare two maps. So let's start. First I am going to convert given string into int stream. To do that, here I am using the chars method. If you see, the return type of this method is int stream. So now I have to convert each integer in back to the character. To do that, here I am using map to object method. So take each character and cast it to the take each integer and cast it to the character. After that I am going to do group by on these characters. So I am using here collect method. So collectors dot group by collectors dot group by. If you see, group by is taking function as the key. Function means, so function is also a functional interface. So here I am using function dot identity. So what will happen, this method will return the character which we are passing. After that I am using collectors dot counting to maintain the frequency of each character. So this method will return the map. Let me declare a local variable. So s1 map. So in the same way we are going to do for second string as well. s2 map. Here let me change the string reference. So the return type is boolean to this method. So here now I am going to compare both maps. s2 map. So let me tell you again. We are checking given two strings are anagram or not using Java 8. To solve this, here I am using map data structure. First I am taking each string, converting into int stream. I am casting each integer back to the character using map to object method. After that I am doing group by. Here character is the key, value is the frequency. In same way I am doing for other string also. After that I am comparing both maps. So if both maps are same means given two strings are anagram. If it is not same, those are not anagram. Let me run it. So given two strings are anagram. Let me change this one. Now if I run, it should print false. If you see, both strings are not same, the character frequency.